Hey guys, so I'm on my other account now. So yeah, this is my other account. Vanessa wants to do with me. Going at it! But yeah, so I am recording and I'm pretending that I'm leaving MSP and everything. And this girl, she is so freaking kind. She was like, "Oh, you don't quit. I have to. I'm having a hard life, and MSP is making it worse. They always believe me." She done a sad face. What the fuck? No. Why? Because it's yours, but I'm quitting. It's yours now. No, it's not. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. It is. No one needs me. Just jump on the window and die. Like, she's so, no, don't say that. No one needs me. Don't say that. But no one loves me. Oh, this is actually like really sad. It's actually like making my heart like jump and everything. It's actually sad to the people that actually are mothers and fathers. Hate them. No, love you. Don't even care about you. I'm so sorry, guys. I know this like is really sad. It's actually like making my heart like bump and everything. I'm actually like really sad about that and everything. I'm so sorry for like I tried to do it to Lucy, but like she did not fail for it. So like I'll just like leave her alone. But shout out to this girl. Like she was like I have no idea like what to say. She's just like the sweetest girl ever. I can't believe this. I can't do this anymore. Like she made like feel so sad. Going ahead and add her like I think I'm gonna like cry or something. Like I just can't believe this. Like she's so fucking sweet. Like I just can't help it anymore. Like she is so fucking adorable and everything. Like go and add her, give her all those griefs. I can't do this anymore. Like I have to. Like tell her it is just heartbreaking. Is my heart is like painful, like it's actually really sad. I just have to say it. I can't do this anymore. I'm such a bad pranker. It just made my heart like sad and everything. I think I'm gonna explode. I'm sorry about you've bought VIP here. Don't give it away, you're wasting your money. I just can't do this anymore. Okay, I'm actually literally crying right now, like I just can't do this anymore. It's too hard. Like she's just so kind and I just can't help it anymore. I just can't help it. It just made my heart broken. Like I have no idea like what to say. It's just making my heart broken. And I have like I just can't anymore. If you like might know how I am crying right now, cause my heart is just like she's just so sweet, and I just can't help it. just have to stay strong because I just have to. It's just this girl, she's just like so sweet. It's actually like, it made my heart explode. Hmm. I just can't help it anymore. I'm so sorry, guys, if this like was a waste of your time. I know, I'm just like a waste of your time, but I can't help it admit. Thank you. It just like made my heart really sad actually. It was really painful and I just cannot help it anymore, so I told her it is a prank. I cannot help it. My heart couldn't just do it anymore. I just had to give it away. But yeah, thank you for watching this video. I know this was a dumb video and you just like hate me because this was a bad video. But hope you enjoyed this video. I guess you can subscribe to me and everything like that. Thank you if you subscribe to me. I love you all so much. I hope we get to level 20 because I'm really close. So I'm just gonna calm myself down and edit and upload this video. Bye everybody. I love you all so much. And shout out goes to this girl over here because she just deserves a shout out. Go ahead and add her. She is really kind. That this is her user. Just like go and add her, like greet her and everything. Bye everybody, and if you want a shout out, just emoji me and just be a good girl. Bye.